Hello YouTubers, welcome to Nose Grind. Today we are looking at the new Wanderer portable coffee machine, or some people known as mini espresso. So when you buy the product, it comes with this bag for simple carry around convenience. Ta-da! Now I've used this a couple of times already, so I can give you a nice, good review on how things are. This is the actual coffee machine. This is the scoop and press for your coffee grounds. And this is where your coffee pods go into. And in there, right in there, is where it punctures into the capsule. But today we'll be using coffee grounds. Today's coffee ground would be used by Café du Calais, if I pronounced that right. It has a nice chocolate and fruity flavour to it. So this is one of my favourites because the crema is outstanding. Now we'll put this one on the side and we'll go through the coffee machine. This is where you put your hot water. You can put straight hot water, or you can put cold water and the device will heat it up. It takes roughly around 5 minutes. To heat up, you press and hold the power button for 5 seconds, and you can see that heating up. And to do straight delivery from hot water, you press it twice and it will do its job. Now, the great thing about this machine compared to others is we don't have to hold it. Yeah? It comes with its own stand already. So you twist that one open. There, right? And you can see that over here you've got the notches that can lock it in. Not sure how the camera's not focusing. Right there. So you can put that in and lock it in place. Yep. And she sits like that. Isn't that wonderful? Now for today, I'll be getting the coffee ground in a minute and hot water, so the video doesn't take too long, instead of having it really long waiting for the hot water to be done. Here you've got where the coffee comes out, then you've got the pod. Got the pod and then the lid. Since I'll be using, that's the portafilter. Since I'll be using ground coffee, it would be all done very nicely. Now, since this one is I've usually kept all my coffee grounds in a nice beautiful container. If only you guys can smell out of a video, this smells wonderful. I like my coffee just to be a little bit more strong than usual, so I usually have just that extra more. There's the coffee in its capsule. And I'm gonna get the hot water. Hot water coming. And over here, you've got your 40 ml and 80 ml, which is maximum. So we're just gonna fill up the tank. You can see that straight away, how it is. Put that on. And remember, it's double press for coffee straight away. And up to you how long you like to, or how much coffee you like in a single shot. I like it around about 50 mils to keep me all warm and fuzzy. Now I'm just going to take this out. The convenience of not having to hold the coffee machine, unlike some that I've taken a look at. Right. And there, people, you've got your crema. Beautiful crema. You can see how nice and thick the crema is. Now, what I would rate this, I would actually rate this 4.5 out of 5. If you were just to use hot water only, you may get quite a lot of shots out of it, but if it were heating it up, you're probably only going to get 2. But for what it is, it's great for camping trips, that little good times of traveling, and also just the convenience of having one, because who knows, you might need a coffee first thing in the morning and the coffee shop is too far away and the coffee machine is too big to take around. So yeah, Cheers. Welcome. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. See you.